In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Soda PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to close down Soda PDF first. There we go, and then I'm not going to save these changes, okay? And then you want to go to the bottom here, and where it says search on your Windows device, you want to go and click on it and type in installed apps. Now, when you do that, click on installed apps inside system settings. It's going to open up your settings on your computer, and up top here, you want to go to search apps and type in Soda, and there we go. It's going to find Soda PDF. Click on those three dots over here under more options on the right, click on the uninstall button and click on uninstall again, and then it may require you to basically type in your admin pin for your computer, and then it's going to basically give you a few options here. You have repair, modify, and remove. I'm going to do remove right now, and I'm also going to do next, and there we go. It's going to basically start uninstalling everything, and usually this takes a few seconds up to a few minutes. Whenever that's done, you'll be able to see there's going to be a message saying you've successfully uninstalled it, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So there we go, it's now done. I can just click on finish, and that's it. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.